Let me start recording. Okay, I started recording. Let
Okay,
me make you host. Now you can share your screen.
okay. Hello?
Yeah,
Yeah, I have done with my sharing.
yeah. Can you open? Yesterday I bookmarked something, right?
Mm.
Can you open new tab and show me the things which I bookmarked? Or you can open the new tab. Control T.
Yeah.
Yes. Open the Zira board. Okay, good. You
The
just
sure.
let me know what are the things that you understood in this overall. The 2 days which we discussed about something about Jira, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So now you just explain me, okay, what did you understand? What is the purpose? So these things you just explain.
Actually, this is a product owner's job. I mean to say, he will provide this, but we have to know what he is giving or what he wants to explain to us
Okay.
and what he wanted from us.
Okay.
After his explanations and all means after his needs, we have to divide that, inform that our colleagues or team members so and so.
Okay.
After that we have to decide and describe the work, the one thing how many days it takes, like
Okay. So what else? So what you said is absolutely right. And what are the things that you observed in the boards? Boards we have, if you see some boards are there.
yeah, rose board, smile board, jasmine.
No, no, no. That board's name that you created. I'm
Mm.
asking, there are some other two boards that you have seen.
Spring. No.
Okay, what else? Just do some brainstorming, okay? I can say that, okay, whatever I want to discuss with you, I can share that, but I want you to be, more participant and proactive, and you have to think and, you have to drive me whatever the doubts that you have.
Okay.
You got it right?
Actually,
Next.
evening
Mm.
with your audio or video,
Mm.
actually, I tried to do this again.
Okay.
Whatever
Mm.
you're
Mm.
watching on my screen, I was
Mm.
tried. Actually, in this, I have a query that we
Mm.
have already prepared this.
Okay.
So in this preparation, I can't do any changes. Just means here I can say some
Mm.
names I can change. That's it. But how can I create one more? Here I
Mm.
didn't saw any one more additional.
Hmm. So you want to create a new project, you want to say, right?
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. So let's see. There are four dots you can see on the left hand side top left. That is right. Your four dots. Yep.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Can you click on that? What is there inside? Jira administration. Okay. So just click on home. First one. Hmm. Okay. Now it is taking to the home. Patients. Okay. Okay. Cool. You there almost once again. Yeah. Now go to Jira, your apps.
Okay,
Your
which app I?
apps is so what app you want to try? Which one? There are two apps, Zira Arundhati, Zira Madhurima. So go on Madhurima, you click on that. Okay. Now can you click on create on top, create. Yep. Just try to click on that. You see. So that's the space. Okay. This is not required. Can you just close that? Okay. Mm, click on my project space. You can see on the left hand side. Yeah, create a space. You'll see. Hey, wait. Here you can see templates, right, in the right hand
Yeah.
side.
Yes.
Scrum,
Yes.
Scrum, Scrum. We can see Scrum. You just look at right hand side. You can find it.
Right hand side.
Or else I told you a shortcut.
Yes.
Mm, click on that. Okay, just move forward a step. So now you have to select company managed. Okay, you just give the name. Mm-hmm. Hey, don't give the same names here. Give some real project names, something which you know. Don't give Madhurima or something like that. Just give some HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, the bank which you like. Okay, so because in our company, if you join any one of the company, then you have to work with some realistic data, right? So that's why
Yes. Yes. Hmm.
I want you to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Now you do one thing. You just type it. Can you see at the bottom? Can you scroll down? Show more. Yeah. Click on next. What it's saying. That's me. Okay. Now you can invite and continue, or you can skip it. That's not a big deal. Okay, now you got it right. How to
Yes.
create and so this is how we deal with creating the stories. Stories, the dashboard. Okay, now you got it right. So, we can create the project using Scrum because you are a Scrum master, right? Now
Yes.
today we will discuss few of um, roles. I would say,
Mm.
okay, few roles we will discuss who and all there in the Scrum.
Okay.
So now open. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me take over the screen first. Let me reclaim the host. Okay. Now I'm going to share my screen. Just let me know once you are ready to my screen.
Okay. For this, I have to go to here, I think so.
Now, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Notepad I open. Okay. So
Yes.
today we'd like to discuss the roles in Scrum. Okay. You know, right? You are a Scrum Master. You are there for
Yes.
sure.
Mm.
You are there. There is no doubt in it. Now, who and all there?
Me, my
So,
team,
yeah, your team means developers
developers,
plus testers.
testers.
Okay, these two two group of people we can say this as Scrum team.
Mm.
Now go and all there product owner.
Mm.
Okay, so in interviews you don't need to say always product owner. You can say PO.
Few. Mm.
Okay, PO is product owner only. So there is
Product.
no
Mm.
doubt in it. Okay, got it right
Yes.
now. So intentional I kept in middle to the
Mm.
Scrum team and the product owner. So
Mm.
if somebody asks you who is Scrum Master and what he do, okay? Scrum
Mm.
Master act as a bridge,
Between the product owner and Scrum team.
exactly, and Scrum team. Okay. So see why you require so why can't Revo directly connect with development lead or test lead or
Yes,
project
exactly.
manager?
Mm.
Why your role is being created? Any guess?
Hope it can't go through directly.
It's not like that. You can go through that. It's an open platform. You can go. Okay. I'll tell you. There is a
Mm.
vacuum. Okay. Developers will be very busy in the development. Okay. If somebody
Okay.
go and ask some query, he may not reply immediately. Hmm? That might
Mm.
be the case. And sometimes what will happen now? So they'll ask some questions and it will take a lot of time to collect the information and convey the same back to the client. It may take some time and scrum master, I mean, if scrum master is not there, definitely it will be a lag. Okay, and
Mm.
client is, everyone wants immediate response, right?
Yes, exactly.
Otherwise people will go on in some zone.
Yeah.
So that is that. So here we are, just like you can imagine that like you are just like an alarm.
Mm.
You will make some sound when something is not happening on time.
Okay.
Okay, you just imagine you are an alarm and you are just like a gatekeeper, what's coming in and what's going out as well. because we are the main people. Scrum Master is the main person. He's supposed to know everything what's happening in the team.
Yes.
Okay. So that's the reason there is very, if you go and see Scrum Master, if you have any friends in Scrum or software development, if you go and ask the general things like what Scrum Master do and all, they'll tell some interesting points about Scrum Master.
Mm.
Okay. So usually Scrum Master will be with a lot of things. He deal with a lot of things. So what kind of things he will deal? Any guess? So whenever a productive owner or stakeholders or clients are having some questions, he will reach the Scrum Master. So they'll
Mm.
ask, hey Scrum Master, I want these details. Can you check with the team whether where we are on the current progress?
Mm.
Okay. Then you'll reach the team lead. So you'll ask the team lead in, yeah, buddy. So what's the update? So client is expecting some updates from you. So then they will tell openly what is the current state of the progress and what might be the things. Okay, all those things he will explain to you.
Mm.
Team lead. So team lead cannot go and discuss all open questions in front of client because he may, sometimes what will happen, client is not much aware of the technical part.
Okay.
Okay, he will get confused. But so you are there now as a Scrum Master. So
Mm.
you can check with team and ask the right questions, and you can tell them these are the things this client is expecting as soon as possible. So you work on this for 2 hours or 3 hours and get the update. The same thing you will convey to the product owner. Okay, within 4 hours or 5 hours, we'll give an update. So as of now, we have completed somewhere around 20% or 30% of work. So this kind of the conversation will be going to happen between the Scrum Master and product owner.
Mm.
Got it right?
Yes.
Yeah, good. So you are the first person, you are the answerable person, and you have the right to speak anyone, right to reach anyone. If somebody now Scrum team wants some information, the developer wants some information. He will inform to you, hey Scrum Master,
Okay.
I have a concern, I have a doubt. Okay, whatever the user story that written by the product owner, I am unable to get it. I am unable to understand what exactly he is, wrote there. Sometimes, they will give some sample examples like how the user interface would be. All these things he will explain.
Mm.
Hello?
Mm.
Okay. So these kind of the questions they might have. So immediately you have to reach the product owner and you have to set up a meeting invite to them. Okay. So these and all things are there. So come up with the answers so that you know everyone will be having concerns about the writing the use cases and all. So let's see. So you need to maintain, for example, your Scrum team having 10 members, okay, or
Mm.
7 members into two teams, 14 members. If in 14 people, if uh, 4 to 5 people having the concerns, if they are directly reaching the product owner, he will
Mm.
get confused, right?
Yes, exactly.
So what you will do, you'll share a spreadsheet and you'll ask them to update your questions in the spreadsheet and you will share that spreadsheet to product owner and you'll set up a call. In the call, you will initiate the discussion.
Mm.
whatever the concerns that they have in the spreadsheet. So they'll explain to you. I mean, they are going to explain to the team. It's kind of the interaction going to happen. Okay. It's very
Hmm.
simple. It's very practical. You will initiate the discussions, but all questions at a single point of time. Like he will update somewhere in the sheet and he will share that sheet. So product owner will go through that questions and he will give the answers. Hey, one second.
Hmm? Hello.
Yeah, I'm back. No, okay.
Okay.
Now you got it right.
Yes.
Yeah. Now I want to discuss more about Scrum team developers. Who and all there? Who are the developers? Developers in the sense. So if you remember in the first day class, backend developers.
Hmm.
I show you some book my show example, right? If you
Backend.
remember. Hello.
Yes.
So backend developers will
Yes.
use the
Yes.
technology called
Some numbers,
Java.
codings like Java. Hmm.
Yeah. And in the similar way, there is a front-end developers. They'll use JavaScript.
JavaScript.
You remember, right?
Yes. Yes.
QA team, they'll use some manual testing. Okay, got it, right?
Yes.
So these are the roles. So this is the very common question in the interview. So what are the roles in the Scrum? So you can say that Scrum team which having developers and testers backend. So then they will
First,
ask. So what is the application that you are using? Okay. What kind of the coding technology that you are using
okay.
for your project? These kind of the questions they'll ask you.
Okay.
So immediately you have to say that, hello?
Hello.
Yeah, am I audible?
Actually, some points. Yeah, in some points, your voice is not audible to me.
Okay. Okay, let me repeat. Okay, so there are developers, okay, the backend developers and front-end developers. Front-end development is JavaScript and backend development is Java.
Java.
That's it.
Java.
Okay. In interview, they will ask what is your Scrum team. It's a combination of developers and testers together,
Testers.
and the product owner will be there. Anyhow, I'm the part of Scrum team.
Yes.
So this is how we have to explain in very uh, the flow should be there while you're explaining. So it should be like how. So for example, you are working in somewhere, right? Somebody come and
Hmm.
ask you some details. You will explain them in very detailed way. So
Yes.
similarly, you have to explain to your friends all these things. Okay. If
Yeah.
somebody come and ask you, yeah, so what you're doing and what are the something few things are happening in your life, then you can say that I'm learning Scrum and this will be there. We have completed this much part and these are my observations, and then we have to say all these points.
Hmm.
Okay. So somehow, whenever you get some conversation
Okay.
with your friends, involve the Scrum things as well, so that the things will come in the practical way.
Hmm.
Okay.
Understood. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. May I audible? Again. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Your.
Okay. Fine, fine. Now, so you know, right, what product owner used to do? He will gather the, he or she, okay, gather the requirements
Requirement.
from client. So then people may ask some questions, okay. He's product owner from client side or he's from our side. That might be anything, okay. In few cases, product owner
Mm.
will be from client side. In few cases,
Client side.
client side also product owner will be there.
Okay.
Okay, for example,
How
you
come?
are for example, you are working for Nokia. Okay, there is a
Okay.
project called Nokia or Airtel. So you are working for Airtel. Hello, Airtel is your client
Hello.
location, client company. Okay,
Okay.
but your payroll company is Accenture.
Okay.
Okay, Accenture will be your payroll company. Client location will be the Airtel. So sometimes
Mm.
product owner will from the Airtel in few cases. Okay.
Okay.
In few cases, product owner will be from Accenture and he will be get in touch with them and get the requirements. It might be anything. So that is also one of the important question. If they want to test it in the practical way, then they will say this. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So now you got the idea and roles, right?
Mm.
Okay. So you created some story, right?
Mm.
In Jira.
Mm.
Okay. Who will write the query, that user story?
Product owner.
Exactly. Okay, product owner will write the user story. So it has a format actually. Okay, there is a standard format. So there are two major items: user story and acceptance. User story and acceptance. Something. Uh, User story and acceptance criteria. So how you will write? Okay, now you enrolled for, you know, right? You might aware of. Okay. Now you subscribed for Amazon Prime. Okay. You know this, right?
Okay.
Amazon subscription, Netflix subscriptions. Did.
Yeah, I'm having.
Okay. Then, yeah. Your project is just like an Amazon. People whoever log in and they pay some amount, they'll get the subscription, special premium
Mm.
subscription. For
Mm.
that, they're asking to create a user story. Similar kind of the
Mm.
product that we are building. Okay.
Mm.
They are asking product owner to write it. So he will say there is a format. As a user, I want to get premium features in Amazon OTT. Okay. So that I can see latest movies and web series. Let's say. Okay. That is the purpose of the user. User want to see premium features in. Amazon Prime. Okay. Now, what is the acceptance criteria? The here it's like a terms and conditions. Okay.
Hmm.
User must be login. User must be paid. User must have email ID or phone number.
Well,
Okay. User have user can have two accounts or else two accounts he can use. Like one account you can use it in the mobile and another account you can use it in the laptop. Okay. There are two users they are providing. Two instead of two accounts, I want to say two dedicated systems. Is that fine for you to understand? Hello, hello.
hello.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I was waiting some your responses. Actually, waiting for your response.
Yeah, actually, you just talked over SYST, then I have to remind.
What
Hope
is that?
you
SY?
haven't heard me.
No, 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 no.
You
I'm
just
saying
talked
that.
over
So
SYST.
dedicated systems. Okay. So this account will be
Yeah.
only available in any one of two systems, either mobile or TV, something like that. So these kind of terms and
Mm.
conditions they will write it in the acceptance criteria. Okay, got it right.
Mm. Yes, yes.
So what you can do now? So now you just share your screen. I'll just stop my screen. Okay, now you just okay.
Post disable attending screen sharing.
Yeah. I'm going to enable it. Yeah, now you can try. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah. Can you open WhatsApp? I sent some message. You can copy that and you can save it in. You can minimize or you can click on cross button. The zoom. Okay, you just copy that. You just copy that.
Copy?
Yeah, you just copy it and paste it in the Scrum notes I shared you, right? Okay. Then at the bottom, you just scroll down. You just type today date, enter, give some spaces, give some space.
Okay.
Hmm. How were you were printing?
Very
Okay. Okay. So, yeah, roles of Scrum, you can just give the name as the roles of Scrum, something like that. On top, on top, go bit top. Want to see, yeah, anyhow, that's roles of Scrum, right? Yeah. Right. So, can you able to create a new Jira project now? Are you able to create it on your own? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes,
Can you able to create? I'm asking you a question. Can you able to create a project
yes.
in
Hopefully,
Jira? Can you try something? Take templates, templates. Take Scrum. Yeah. What you have to choose here? Okay, good. Okay, yep. Good. Got it right. Now you know right how to create the backlog.
yes,
Okay. This is how you will be going to create it. But in the real time, you won't create anything. You'll just use it. But if you
yeah.
know the
I
flow,
understand.
but if you
Yeah,
know
yeah.
the flow, you'll get some
Format how to use.
pro. Like you will become a pro in the team.
Okay.
So you came to know what are the options that I'm having, in the project or in the Jira. So you'll get some confidence.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, yes.
Any doubts in today's session?
Currently not. If I
Yeah, you
hear,
just go through this. Okay, I will share this regarding in 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, you just go through
okay,
this and do some, creating some backlog in ICICI Bank. Okay, take your own examples and explore it. We'll see. We'll play plug and play. We'll do kind of plug and play in tomorrow session.
okay,
Okay.
yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then thanks for your time. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.